Work area 3, week 2. This week we're going to create a pick list and pick and actually pack the order into boxes. You already learned about a little of the packing techniques and ways to pack boxes, but here we go into the pick list. The best way to get to the pick list I've found is go to the sales order list from the Awesome Bar. Get into your actual sales order that you have done. And the best way to make the pick list is go to create from the sales order. So I'm in the sales order, I'm going to create pick list. I'm going to bring up, it'll have the order in here, it'll tell me what I'm picking, all the information and so forth. I can go down and say save, and then I can click submit. And I can hit permanently submit. From there, the pick list is done. Update current stock. We'll update the stock in the back end to make sure all the warehouses and everything have the correct information. And from here, the pick list is done. It's created, it's telling me what to pick here. I only put one of the items in, the t-shirt, and it's right here. But if I want to print the pick list, actually go to the warehouse and pick it, I go to the print option. It'll show me the pick list. It'll show me what it is, the item, the warehouse in which it's stored, and so forth. So from there, I can go to print, and I can print out my pick list from there. Actually print to the printer, and I can go pick my items from there. After that, this week, like I said, go back to the LMS, review the packing order, the packing ways, and pack up all the items. Don't seal the boxes yet. We'll seal the boxes next week in shipping, put shipping labels on, create a delivery note, and then we have seen an item go the whole way through from beginning to end through ERPNext.